Okay, this video going to show you how you can customize the label for the asset sticker. Let's see, we want to print out the asset sticker for this AC Smart UPS 1000 VA. So select and then preview. So this is the original design of the asset sticker. So now in order to edit from 1D barcode to 2D barcodes, what you need to do is basically go to this setup, label manage, so auto track, item label, click edit, okay, let's adjust a bit and rearrange the orientation. Barcodes. So what we want to do is from 1D to become 2D barcodes. Select the barcodes. In the symbology side, drop down to QR codes. Then you need to do compaction to byte. So click save. Now you back to the asset listing. And then do a preview again. See, now it's become 2D barcodes. That's all.